Hello everyone, welcome to Aspire Techsoft Academy, your trusted partner in learning and an authorized training partner with SAS. Today I am here to guide you on how to land a job in a clinical SAS as a fresher. If you are exploring opportunities in the pharmaceutical industry, clinical SAS can be a highly rewarding career in terms of scope, salary and long-term prospect. The demand is high, but the competition is less saturated compared to the other fields. So stay with me as I share some useful tips to help you kickstart your clinical SAS journey. Let's dive right in. First of all, what exactly is SAS? SAS stands for Statistical Analysis Software, developed by SAS Institute based in the US. It's a trusted and widely used tool in many industries for data management and analytics. But what makes it special for the pharmaceutical industry is its FDA approval. Since SAS protects sensitive patient data, it complies with strict FDA regulations, which is why it's a perfect tool in a clinical trials and research. In clinical SAS, you work with a large sets of clinical data to help companies and regulatory bodies like the FDA make the critical decisions. Even with the advancements like AI, SAS remains relevant because of its robust ability to handle complex clinical data. Now you might wonder, why should you pursue a career in a clinical SAS? Unlike the other domains that experience high saturation, clinical SAS is a niche technical field in the pharmaceutical industry. It offers exciting opportunities to work with multinational companies, and there is always a demand for a skilled clinical SAS professionals. Freshers too can find opportunities in clinical SAS. So if you are determined to build a career in this field, you are in the right place. Let's get to the part you have been waiting for. How do you get started? Step 1. Learn SAS. Before you start applying for a job, it's crucial to learn SAS. There are different components like base SAS, advanced SAS, SQL and macro programming. And in the clinical SAS domain, you will also work with SDTM and ADAM tools. As a clinical SAS programmer, your role will be to convert complex clinical data into a simpler format such as a graph, tables and listing for easy review by regulatory bodies like the FDA. That means you need hands-on experience with SAS software. You can either take online or offline courses. At Aspire Techsoft Academy, we offer a 4 to 5 month SAS training program where you can get practical exposure to base, advanced and clinical SAS. Step 2. Look for internship opportunities. Once you have learned the basics, the next step is to seek our internship. Companies like Parexel, IQVI and other healthcare IT firms offer clinical SAS internships. These internships often require passing an exam, but they give you valuable experience, sometimes paid, sometimes unpaid. Even if it's unpaid, the 6-month hands-on experience is worth it. Step 3. Apply to companies hiring SAS programmers. You can also look for job opportunities in newly established companies for those launching new projects, as they often have a bulk hiring needs and are open to freshers. If you are already working in a related field like a pharmacovigilance or clinical data management, you might find internal opportunities to transition into a SAS programming role. Many companies offer these internal transfers. Step 4. Use job portals. Finally, you can search for a SAS programming jobs on platforms like Naukri, Indeed and LinkedIn. LinkedIn in particular is a great place to network with professionals in the field and discover job posting. One thing to keep in mind is that most of these job opportunities are in the metropolitan cities, so be prepared to relocate if necessary. The future of a clinical SAS is bright. Even with the emerging technologies like AI and automation, SAS will continue to be a key player in the clinical research industry. It's a stable and long-term career path. If you are serious about starting your journey in clinical SAS, we at Aspire Techsoft Academy have a specialized 4 to 5 month SAS training program. In this course, you will learn base SAS, advanced SAS, SQL and microprogramming. Clinical tools as CDISC, ADAM and SDTM, which comes under clinical SAS. You will get hands-on training from day one, access to real-life data and personalized skill development sessions including resume building, interview prep and placement assistance. Plus, you get the SAS software to practice at home. For more details, check out the link in the description or visit our website. You can also call or DM for more information. If you are ready to start your SAS journey, don't wait. Seats are filling up fast. Enroll today and take the first step toward a rewarding career in clinical SAS. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Happy learning and see you in the next video.